Setting up price or weight embedded barcodes on Clover might be confusing. And one of the services that we provide at CSI Works is we ask either a merchant or a sales agent to send us a label that we're working with. In this case, this is the label that we have. And now we're going to use this label and help our merchant on getting this set up. This is how to do it. So first you have this Variable Price Barcode Parser app, and we want to make sure that the configuration is complete and that app is ready for use. To do this step, I'm going to close the Clover, the app, and I'm going to navigate to Settings. In Settings, I'm going to scroll all the way down and hit on Accessibility. In Accessibility, I'm going to find Variable Price Barcode Parser, and I will make sure that this switch right here is turned on, like mine. See how it says turned on? If yours says off, then go ahead and turn it on, and that'll be the first step to have the configuration. The second step is to have this item set up on Clover. And for this, we're going to navigate to Clover Inventory app. And what I want to do is search. So we're going to use the first 6 digits on this label here, 200223. As a barcode number. And the first thing I want to do is make sure that I don't already have an item associated with this number by putting in a search. So you see how I already have this item here. So let me go ahead and just make this item correspond to this item, sharp cheddar. Here we go, sharp cheddar. And I'm going to make this item variable price. And this is the product code, 200223. And you can see that number here on the label, 200223. So the first 6 digits. And that's it. Now I have this item set as variable. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So in Clover, let me also demonstrate. In the Variable Price Barcode Parser, in barcode settings, I'm using the very first option, which is actually default, so I think it'll already be set for you this way. And now we'll go to the Register app and scan this barcode. Here's the Register app. Mine's offline, but that's okay. That's not important in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and scan this item by pressing this button here and pointing to a barcode. And then you'll see, so we're going to review. It found the item, but the price that it put in is entirely wrong, right? So here we have a 580 and here we have 580. Obviously this is very wrong. And the way to solve this would be to navigate away from this Register app and go back to the Variable Price Barcode Parser, go to the barcode settings, and we're going to use the second option. Right, so here I'm going to hit save. So the second setting on the barcode, here it is. I'm going to show it again. Okay, and that's it. Now it'll show correctly. So we're going to go ahead and save this order and scan it again. Here I am, scanning the barcode. Here we go. Now if we review this order, it makes it 580. Right, so the total is $6, but that's because of the tax. So that's how you set it up. Thank you.